So this is for the 2019 Tech Aloud question number 3, using the calculator to come up with models based on having a number of statistics and you don't know which model to choose. One way of doing that is to use statistics in your graphing calculator. So put the X values in list 1 and the Y values in list 2. Which means that here I'm going to have 0.3, and then 1.4, and 6.3, and my Y values will be 1, 3, 5, and I can go up to Calc, Regression, and there's a number of regressions, and I'm going to choose logarithmic because I've been asked to develop a logarithmic model. Now the logarithmic regression, yes, I've got my X's in list 1 and my Y's in list 2, will be A plus B log base E of X. A plus B log base E of X. So in this particular case, I'm going to have time equals A plus B log base E of height. And A is going to be 2.574 plus B is going to be 1.314. And that's using a logarithmic model using our log regression. In the second one, you're asked to do an exponential model. Now, do you do base E or do you do base B? And that's the question. So I'll enter these in, which I've done, putting my height as being my X this time and the population as being Y. So I'm going to have a model which is the population equals something to do with height. And I go analysis, regression. Now, I've got two exponential models to choose. If I want base E, this is the model that I would choose. If I want base B, this is the model that I would choose. Both of them will give you rules that can be used to predict the population. I'll choose base E. And it tells me it's A e to the bx. So A is 0.1150. E to the bx. B is 0.629. I've got to do 3 decimal places I've just read, but you know what I mean. I did 3 decimal places. That's 4 decimal places. So I'd need to do the 5 and get rid of the 0, and the 29 and get rid of the 0, and that will be H. So that's how you can use regression on your calculator to come up with logarithmic and exponential models.